How to draw Pico from Encanto, step by step. Hey everyone! So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a circle towards the top of the page. This will be the eye of Pico. Now we're not going to draw the pupil on the inside of the eye just yet. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the beak. The beak will go beneath and to the right of the eye. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video because this part might be a little bit tricky. Now from the very top point of the line that we just drew, we're going to draw a big shape that looks similar to a long C. Now beneath the eye we have 2 points. We're going to connect these 2 points by using a curvy line. Now for the last step of making the outline of the beak, we're going to make a second curved line underneath the top of the beak that we previously drew together. Well done, this is a great start. Now up by the eye we have a circle and then we have the beak to the right. We're going to connect these two by using a small line that is curved. All done? If so, let's continue. Now, in the eye that we previously drew together, we're going to begin to add in a second circle that is even smaller. This will help make the pupil of Pico. Just in case my hand is in the way and you can't see, on the inside of the smaller circle, we're going to add in a black dot. This will be the pupil. Great job! So far I'm really happy with how my drawing is coming along. Now we're going to go right beneath the beak. We're not going to finish drawing the face just yet. We're going to draw a small line going down. This line will be straight. Then it will turn into a backwards curve that will look similar to a backwards C. Nice! Now a little bit to the left, we're going to begin to draw the left wing. We're going to begin by drawing the top of the wing by drawing a C-leg shape that appears to be on a diagonal. Now in order to make the left side of the head along with the neck, we're going to begin to make a long curvy line connecting the top of the wing all the way to the eye up top. If you're ready to move on, then let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video and catch up. For the next step, we're going to begin to connect the left wing to the right side of the body. We'll do this by drawing a line going down with a lot of sharp edges that will look similar to V's going across. And if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. And we have even drawn even more Encanto characters recently, like Antonio and Dolores. Now on the inside of the body, we're going to begin to add in a couple lines to help separate the colors of black and yellow on Pico. You can kind of change where the lines are on Pico if you want to make him more black or yellow. Now at this point, we're all done drawing the outline of the body. For the next step, we're going to move over a little bit to the left where we'll finish drawing the wing. It is important to know that we're going to draw the wing in multiple steps. The wing will be drawn in 3 parts, and each part will be a little bit skinnier than the last. If you want to add detail to your wing, then you can make very skinny lines at the bottom of the wing. Pico's wings are mostly dark, so unless you decide to color him a little bit lighter, it won't make a very big difference because you won't be able to see them. Now we have to draw just 2 more parts of the wing. The next step will be a little bit skinnier than the first, just how I previously mentioned. Nice! Now we just have to make one more last part of the wing. This part will be a little bit longer and a little bit skinnier. And if you'd like me to see your drawing, then share it with me on Instagram by using #LearnHowToDrawHub. Now on the bottom of Pico, we're going to begin to draw the legs as well as the feet. In order to draw the legs, we're going to draw very small hairy pieces that are similar to small squares. Now we will draw the feet. In order to draw the feet, we'll make a total of 3 toes. 2 will be on the right side and 1 on the left side. Each toe will come to a sharp point that we will color it in black. Now let's move over a little to the left and let's begin to draw the second leg and foot just how we did on the right hand side. And if you're enjoying today's video so far and it's helping you out, then be sure to give it a big like so other Encanto and Pico fans can also learn how to draw Pico. Are you all done drawing the feet? If so, the next step will be to begin to draw the detail of the beak. This will be where we separate the colors. We'll first draw a long line that is curved, connecting to the top of the beak. Well done! Now on the line that's going from left to right on the inside of the beak, we're going to begin to draw 3 long sharp pieces on the top along with 2 on the bottom. These will both be colored in completely black. Nice! Now let's go on the other side of this line and draw 2 more of these shapes. Now last but not least, we'll draw 3 more lines on the inside of the beak to help separate the colors and add detail. This is how to draw Pico from Encanto. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and I really look forward to drawing with you next time. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors if you would like to. And if you're a big fan of Encanto, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Encanto drawing tutorial playlist. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.